President Emerson Mnangagwa's recent comments regarding plans to make the Zimbabwean gold ZiG the sole legal tender in the country before 2030 have shaken the banking sector. Achipere mushe mureZimbabwe zvonzi mabhengi osheka, mabhengi osara asiri stable asina kumira zvakanaka nokuda kwekuita the ZiG the sole legal tender. Sanambira mashoko abuda nyogwa panapa muzimu airobwa subscribe like on the bell icon. Vanyora vachiti since Mnangagwa's utterance early this month, banks have adopted a more cautious approach to long-term lending. Last October, the government gazetted statutory instrument SI 218 of 2023, which extended the use of the multiple currency system in Zimbabwe until December 2030. But in his address at the commissioning of the Mutare Teachers College fruit juice and water processing plant on July 4, 2024, President Mnangagwa hinted that if ZiG maintains stability, dollarization may end in 2 years. A local private weekly cited an unnamed industrialist saying that Mnangagwa's comments have made the banks adopt a cautious approach, trying to determine whether the president's comments were a policy statement or merely political rhetoric, said the industrialist. I think what the president was saying is the goal for the 2030 might happen earlier, not necessarily saying this is what was going to happen. Statements wakataura vachiti aiwa kana ZiG rikaramba chimaterialize kana kuti karamba richistabilize aiwa within 2 years rinobva ratopinda tomisa dollarization. Panapa wakomana kachora chiti aiwa aingova political statements, pane nhau dziri kutaurwa kana kuti aingova as a campaign for the 2030. Tudze mafunguro enyu munoti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Pina comment section yedu, musano subscribe, like